This is 31 Fox Street, located in the Baker neighborhood in Denver, Colorado. This is recently renovated with new hardwood floors, new doors, trim, and an upstairs that's affords a large master suite. Front room can be used as a study. Downstairs we have a large open floor area, second bedroom there, bathroom, full bath with clawfoot tub, downstairs with modern fixtures, built-in cabinet off of the dining room, living room area. Downstairs bedroom is right off the kitchen. And has its own storage as well. Kitchen has built-in countertop range, oven built in the wall, granite counters, large farmer's style sink, range hood. Upstairs there's a new metal steel stair, very bright skylights, and large master suite. The master suite is carpeted, large patio door that goes out. Currently no patio there, but view looks out over the backyard. Open sort of floor plan of a bathroom, large 5-piece bathroom. His and her sinks, large bath, and shower. Little additional sort of nook of a room in the front, which could be used for storage or a small office. If interested, please don't hesitate to contact Blue Shift at 303-532-4862. You can also reply to this ad.